So most times you hear YouTubers in my niche saying, optimize your channel, but they never show you how to do it. They just never show a tutorial on how to do it. They just tell you, go and optimize your channel, make sure your channel is optimized, but they never show you how to do it. But in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to properly optimize your YouTube channel, the keywords for your YouTube channel and your YouTube channel description. I'm going to show you how to generate those tags and also how to create a description with your keywords in them. Optimization is very important for a channel's success. It is very important because YouTube is a search engine. It's not a human being. So it needs keywords to understand what your channel is about. It needs keywords to know your target audience. It needs keywords to know your content pillar, your channel pillar. What is the channel about? Who are we putting this channel to? So please, optimization is very necessary. Do not skip this step. I'm going to explain everything in details, how you're going to do the settings and also how you can easily generate these keywords for your channel. So we're going to dive into the tutorial now. But before we do that, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel because the community is growing, and also turn on post notification because I bring you guys hidden gems. I want the best for my community and I'll always have you guys back. Also, please check out every video I'm going to link in the cards because there are videos that will help you in case you need help further after this video, because you are actually going to need more help. And please do not skip the video. Please watch every step. It's a process and you have to understand it. So watch it from the beginning to the end so you don't miss a step. Okay, this is important. This is your channel optimization. All right, let's dive into the tutorial. So this is my analytic for my vlogging channel. This channel is already well optimized. I have done all the setting I'm about to show you now to this channel. So it's just easy steps that you can do to easily optimize your channel. So please follow this instruction step by step as I am showing. So we're going to go to the settings. The settings is this button down here. It's just look down, scroll down, you're going to see the setting button, and then we're going to click on that button. So it's going to take us to these settings where you see generals, channel, upload default. So we're going to click on channel. As you can see, my country of residency is already Nigeria. You can put whatever country you're in. The main important thing are these keywords, this place that is down here where we have keywords. This, my own channel, I've already done my keyword. This channel is well optimized, but these are the keywords. This part is very important. This is the important part. So first of all, before you are able to choose this keyword, you need to know your niche. You need to know what exactly your channel is about so that you can know the keywords to put. And if you haven't found your niche or you don't know how to choose a niche, please watch the videos I'm going to link in the card because they're going to help you. I'm going to link how to start a YouTube channel and also how to find your niche in the card. Okay, so once you know your niche already, you can easily get a keyword tag for your niche using ChatGPT, or you can use SEO apps like TubeBuddy or vidIQ. These apps are designed to help you get keywords and get tags for your channel. Okay, so but I'm going to advise ChatGPT because that's what I use. So you tell ChatGPT, give it a prompt and tell it what your channel is about, what you do on your channel. For this channel is self-development, wellness, self-growth, and lifestyle tips that is happening on this channel. Okay, so you tell ChatGPT what your channel is about and tell it to please generate an optimized keyword for your channel to put in your channel keyword. Okay, anyhow you want to put the prompt. I already did a video on how to use ChatGPT to generate prompts and stuff like that. I'm going to link that in the card. That's not why we're here. Okay, so once you have your keywords, you come here and you put them in this place. As you can see my keywords here, I already told you what my channel is about: self-development, self-improvement, glow up tips, how to be that girl, lifestyle advice, girly advice. Those are my keywords, productivity tips for women. But then the next thing you're going to do is to go on YouTube and search for the top creators in your niche, the highest creators in your niche. You're going to search for their names and you're going to write them down. You're going to type your niche and the people YouTube also recommends to you, the top creators with big views, big followings. Please take their names and write them down. As you can see here, I have mine. I have Lucy Benson, I have Jills, I have Love Your Natural, I have Tam Card. These are top creators in the self-development and self-improvement glow up tip niche. You get the point. So you take their names and you're going to write them down here in the tag. You mix it up. As you can see, I have their names with also my keywords. because their names are also keywords, so that when people are searching for them, your channel has the possibility of being recommended to them for them to view it. So please take advantage of this keyword box. As you can see here, we have up to 500 words that we can put here as keywords. Please utilize them as much as you can, because it's going to help your channel in the long run. YouTube is a search engine, and it needs to know what your channel is about for it to be able to recommend your channel to the right people. So once you've done that, you have optimized your channel with the keyword, and YouTube understands what this channel is about. It understands the target audience for this channel. It understands your channel pillar and everything about the channel. So this setting is necessary. After you've done that, now it's time to optimize our description. Okay. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to our description. We're going to click on this one button over here. You see, we have our banner image. We have our picture, your name, handle, and description. I'm pretty sure you must have chosen a really good name by now. So you should have a good name that relates to your niche by now. If you don't have a good name, you can also ask ChatGPT to suggest a good name for you, or you could just use your full name if that's what you want. If you want your name to be a brand, okay? Just have a good name for your channel. Okay, so you see the banner image over here. This is necessary, but first of all, we're going to talk about the description, which is the next important thing for optimizing your channel. Now let's go to description. See my description here. My description is filled with my keywords. I already showed you my keywords that we saw in the setting, but look at this, my description. Now we're all about self-development, lifestyle, and becoming the best version of ourselves inside and out. Whether you're looking for practical glow up tips, how to be that girl inspiration, or just relatable advice to navigate life as a modern woman, you are in the right place. This sentence alone has how many keywords in it? Self-development, lifestyle, becoming that girl, glow up tip, inspiration, how to be that girl, women advice, everything is here. Okay, so you need to create a sentence and infuse those keywords that you've already put down in your settings in your description. Okay, you can also check out those top creators in your niche. Check out their own description. Look at how they wrote their description. You will see most of them are optimized. Most of them have their keywords in their description. So please try and formulate a description like this with these keywords. Or you can also use ChatGPT to do this. Everything has been made easy now with AI, but I hope you're following and you understand what I'm talking about. Your description should be well optimized, please. This will help YouTube easily understand what your channel is about. Then after that, we can then go to your channel banner art. Your banner, the first thing people see when they open your channel is your banner and your profile picture. So please, your channel banner art has to be mwah. It has to be on point, okay? So this is my channel art. So beautiful. As you can see, when you look at my channel art, you see my name, you see self-development, you see lifestyle. You know that this is what this channel is about. And you also see wellness in my channel. You see that my channel is fully and thoroughly optimized, okay? So please make sure your channel art is looking nice. Or you could just use your plain channel art and use your name if you don't want to do all the art and everything. Just use something simple and elegant. Check out your colleagues in this niche and see how they did theirs. So now let's go to YouTube and see what my channel looks like on YouTube. Okay. All right. As you can see, my channel is looking good and very well optimized. This For You that you're seeing here, if you don't know that For You setting for YouTube to recommend the right videos to your audience, please check out the videos I put in the card. Check out that video. So it's going to show you how to set your For You for YouTube to recommend fresh content to your audience. Okay. But yeah, this is my channel. Look at my channel art looking all clean and simple. But let's go to my description now. So this is my description. As you can see, it is well optimized, guys. So please make sure you optimize your description and your keywords so that YouTube knows what your channel is about. Don't also forget to go to your top creators in this niche and check out their descriptions and see how they do that. Also check out their channel art, draw inspiration from that, because we are all here to grow on the streets of YouTube. So please follow these simple instructions and your channel will be well on its way to organic growth. It's very easy as ABC. All you need is to just do your research, get your keywords, the right keywords you can also use YouTube body or vidIQ, like I said earlier, to generate keywords or chat GPT. There you have it, guys. That is how to literally optimize your channel easily. If you just follow the steps, it will be very easy for you to optimize your channel. YouTube would understand what your channel is about and be able to recommend your channel to the right people, thereby increasing your views and your community. Please follow every step I have said in this video. And if you don't know how to use ChatGPT, I'm going to link a video in the cards. Like I said earlier, check out the videos I'm going to link in the cards because they are going to help you further. I hope this video was really helpful to you. If you have any questions, please do not forget to leave them down in the comments below. I'm always answering my community in the comments, okay? And also do not forget to subscribe, like the video, and share the video to a fellow YouTuber so they can also properly learn how to optimize their channel, because we are all trying to make it here on the streets of YouTube. So we got each other. Small YouTubers gather here, like we say in the comments. Okay, guys, thank you for watching today's video. If you have any video suggestions, also leave down in the comments below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.